Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry it's been so long since I have uploaded a video, but it has been a really long week, so I'm glad to finally be uploading again. I am going to be continuing my monthly cleaning series with how I clean my bathrooms, so let's get started. So number one is to clean the shower tile. I do clean my shower once a week, but I don't go in and scrub it, so once a month I'm going to take my Mrs. Myers tile and tub scrub, and I am going to just spray it and use my little scrubber brush that I got from, where did I get that from? Kroger maybe, and just kind of go in throughout the entire shower and scrub the grout, scrub the tile, and get all of that dirt up.
Just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room.
So now I'm just going to take a cup full of water and I'm going to rinse out the shower to make sure that there is no residue left over and that it is clean.
Can we stay for a while until the fires burn out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right.
Number two is to clean the windows and the window seals. There's only one window in my bathroom, so I'm going to take my Norwex cloth, my Enviro cloth, and I'm going to wipe down the window and the window seals, and then I'm going to go back in with my window cloth and shine it up.
As I said, you got me falling. You will always be my reason to stay.
Number three is to clean out and reorganize the drawers. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out of the drawers. I'm going to vacuum it out because I do have a lot of hair in there from when my hair sheds like crazy. And then I'm going to take my Norwex Enviro cloth again, and I am going to just wipe out my drawers and make sure that they are clean. And then I'm going to put all of the stuff back in there neatly. Make sure that everything is organized and neat.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
Number four is to clean out and reorganize the cabinets. Just like I did the drawers, I'm going to do the same thing with my cabinets, and I'm just going to show you how I did mine just to save time. But I recently reorganized under my vanity or under my sink, so if you are interested in seeing how I did that, I will link that video above. But I'm just going to take everything out again. I'm going to wipe down the bottom of my cabinet, and I'm not going to wipe that down too much because I don't want to get the paper dirty, but I'm going to make sure that there is no makeup stains or hair or anything like that. And then I'm going to place everything back in neatly and make sure that that is organized as well.
Can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and
Number 5 is to clean my makeup brushes, but I clean them twice a month. I know some people might think that's disgusting and I should probably do a better job of cleaning my makeup brushes, but I don't, so there we go. But this is just kind of a mini tutorial on how I clean my brushes. I bought this little brush cleaner from Ulta a long time ago, and I just take a bar of soap and I wipe my brush on a bar of soap, and then I will scrub it onto that little pad, and literally it's the easiest thing in the world to clean, and it takes 2 seconds. And I'm just going to go through and clean all of my brushes and make sure that they are nice and pretty.
We'll be out till late under the starshine. I wish that I didn't have to wait. Autumn leaves, please hurry before I start to worry and his face gets blurry.
Number 6 is mop the floors. So I run over the floors with the Roomba every day, but I don't really go in and mop them once a week. So I'm going to go in with my vacuum cleaner and just clean up all the hair, because I am filming this on a Monday and I have not cleaned my bathroom yet. So there we go. So I'm just going to clean up all the hair and mess on the floor, and then I'm going to go in with my mop and just mop it real fast.
Oh, I've tried to set aside all this longing, but it won't hide. I dream about you every night. Winter cold, please hurry. Bring him home before I worry and his face gets too blurry. My love, I send you kisses. My heart belongs to no one but you. It won't change. My love, I send our best wishes. Snow will fall and I'll be on your arm, my love. Ooh.
Number 7 is to clean the baseboards and the doors. So just like I have done in all of my other videos, I'm going to clean the baseboards and also the light fixtures and all of that good stuff. And I'm just, because this is a smaller room, I'm just going to take my Norwex Enviro cloth and I'm just going to go over those baseboards very quickly with that. And lastly, I am going to clean the light fixtures. So I'm just going to take, again, my Enviro cloth. Y'all, this thing is amazing. You can clean everything in your bathroom and no bacteria, no dust, no germs will spread, and it's just great. So I'm going to take my Enviro cloth, I'm going to clean my light fixtures, and that will be all for the bathroom. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.